We've had the Affirmative Action Bill sitting in Parliament since 2011, is it? Or a long time. We've bypassed that. We have Private Members Bill. We've just passed the NACOC Bill and all other things. The Affirmative Action Bill, which will make women free and confident to run for office and take up important office, is still sitting in Parliament. And the unimportant things are being passed. This is where we should start. Affirmative Action Bill. It's taking too long. So it's not a matter of there's no law barring us, but there really isn't, how do they call it? It's not an atmosphere of encouragement for women to enter politics. There's everything that makes it difficult for us to run for office.
Did you not have that encouragement when you ran for office in 2020?
I didn't, but I took that step. And not everybody is like me. There are women who are being discouraged from running for office by the system that we have without the Affirmative Action Bill. Many women. This country is in this mess because we women have sat back and watched the men ruin it.